Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Business with Rocks. On today's episode, we're going to talk about who's your Dream 100. Let's get in there. First things first, guys, what's a Dream 100? A Dream 100 is a targeted list of people that you specifically personally chose for your niche that you want to build a relationship with and connect with. And on that list, there's different people at different levels. So let's say level A. A level A influencer or individual on your list have well over 100,000 followers or subscribers. I would say close to the millions and above. Those are like A-class people that you want to eventually build up to. You know what I'm saying? Then there's level B and C. B would be lower six figures into the five-figure echelons of subscribers and followers. And those are people, they're attainable. Some of them are not. Some of them, you know, they have those blue checks, so they think they're too hot for TV, but you could definitely connect with them. And then there's the C and Ds. Don't disrespect the C and Ds, guys. These are people who probably have, 2,000, 3,000 listeners or subscribers, but these are people targeted. You check and you see that their niche and their brand aligns with what you are selling with your specific niche. So don't disrespect them if they only have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, because they're on the come up. So you want to get in there early, pearly, so that you can definitely build a relationship with them. It's actually a lot easier because they don't have a million people hitting them up in their DMs. They can actually read your message compared to the people who have 500,000, a million, 2 million, 10 million subscribers or followers or listeners or readers, you know what I'm saying? Now let's talk about how to get your G100 list. There's two ways you can do it that I recommend. One way, you could buy your way in. If you have some extra cash and if you see someone have 500,000, 1 million, up to the 10 million echelons of people, they don't mind accepting your money for a post. So if you have the money and they're on your list because their listeners or their followers or their subscribers is people that you need for your business, then shell it out. And especially if you see their engagement and it's dope, there's ways to check to make sure there's not fake engagement. There's a lot of scammer accounts right now out, so be careful. Make sure you don't give your money out just to any old body, because these people buy followers and buy subscribers just to be influencers and just snatch up your bread. So definitely be careful with that. Do your due diligence in terms of looking at their comments, looking at their likes, looking how quick they get their likes. I mean, seeing the pattern of it. There's patterns that show if an account is fabricated or not. So you definitely want to do your homework before you just shell out all your money to those people who basically got a whole bunch of fake people and nothing that can help you. So yeah, okay. And then the second way with the traffic is traffic that you earn. With traffic that you earn, that's where you are basically working your way into the pot. You know what I'm saying? You go in there, you provide value, because if you don't have any money, you literally provide value with comments, with posts, helping out other people's subscribers down on their Facebook posts. Let's say you want to jump on lives with people, you know, share your platform with them so you can exchange subscribers and followers. Really dope. And you can also do blog posts as well and jump on other blog websites, WordPress, and just literally share your blog with other bloggers and vice versa. And the idea of your Dream 100 is that you want to keep building and communicating with these people, because you're not just going to have a list, hit them up one time and that's it. These are people that you want longevity with. Because understand, there's a list that you want to be able to tap in if you ever need more people, more individuals, references, or anything. Tap in there for the longevity of that specific niche or business that you're using it for, okay? I hope you guys found some value in this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell also so you can get some notifications whenever a brand new video come out. And leave some comments below, guys. I will answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good day.